Hello, this is LiquidOcelot guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to talk about how do you invite a moderator to your subreddit. So guys, this is my subreddit r/LiquidOcelotYT. So let's go to the mod tools over here. Under user management you see option moderators. Now on the top right hand side we have an option called invite user as a mod. I'll click it and then I'll enter the username. So all you need to do is enter the username and then press enter. So I press enter. So you see this is the moderator that I have invited. I'll delete this one. I can delete this one as well. You want to rescind the moderator invite to no friendship 2332. So I'll remove it. So I've already invited a moderator, my friends. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching.